SecurityX architecture often asks you to separate the control plane from the data plane. The control plane decides how systems are configured, routed, authorized, or orchestrated. The data plane is where user traffic, packets, queries, and workload requests actually flow. If you mix them up, you secure the wrong layer. Think of the control plane as the decision and management layer. Cloud consoles, orchestration APIs, identity policy, routing rules, and infrastructure as code all change what the environment will do. Compromise here can reshape the whole system without touching every workload directly. The data plane is the forwarding and processing layer. It carries packets, API calls, database queries, service mesh traffic, and user sessions. Data plane controls usually focus on segmentation, encryption, inspection, rate limits, and runtime behavior. The risks are different. A control plane failure can create broad administrative impact, new routes, new permissions, disabled logging, or exposed storage. A data plane failure can leak records, allow lateral movement, or disrupt availability. Senior design treats these as related but not identical. Cloud makes this distinction visible. A management API call that changes a security group is control plane activity. A user request passing through that security group is data plane activity. Identity and automation often bridge both, so guardrails need to be precise. For the control plane, prioritize least privilege, privileged access management, MFA resistant to phishing, approval workflows for high-impact changes, separation of duties, policy as code, and logs that administrators cannot silently erase. For the data plane, prioritize segmentation, secure protocols, workload identity, input validation, DDoS protection, anomaly detection, and runtime response. The goal is to limit what traffic can do even if one service becomes hostile. Scenario: a cloud admin API key is leaked. Soon after, a route table changes and customer traffic starts bypassing inspection. What should the architect secure first? Best answer: B. Treat the leaked admin API key as a control plane compromise. Rotate and restrict the key, review management API activity, restore approved routing, and preserve audit evidence. Then validate the data plane path to confirm customer traffic is inspected again. SecurityX takeaway: ask which plane makes the decision, which plane moves the traffic, and where evidence proves the control worked. Control plane compromise changes the rules. Data plane compromise abuses the flow. Good architecture protects both.